Goat squad.
There you go. One's got a form. Yeah, tiny little one there.
Yeah. Oh, that can't be right because it's fucking mega early.
6 that I count. They're all pretty skinny too.
Looking at us. That's funny, eh? First deer spotted for the morning.
This is thin for a ute, this track.
Back up the other side. Oh, there you go. Hello, ladies. Fucking hell.
2 or 3.
Yeah, there's a couple. Shamans. And look, kind of boy. Fellow. Oh no, those are reds.
No, those are reds at the front for sure, but they're small at the back.
Holy.
Oh, those are fallow behind.
Oh bro, there's a nice fallow stag there at the back.
Oh, there is too.
He's on the track now.
Yep, saw that.
Fuck. Didn't see no red stags though. Hey, that was weird, eh?
Yeah.
Like five reds at the front and then about 1,000 bloody fallow.
He's going to come up along that bridge line now.
Yeah.
So we're not having fallow stags, eh?
Nah. Team, that was pretty exciting. So we've got some rules today. We're not shooting ladies because they're all pregnant at the moment. We're leaving the fallow stags alone because old bro Kyle, he's on the lookout for a big fallow stag and we found a nice one for him. So, spikers and red stags we're on the lookout for today. Holy shit. All stuck by their fence.
Those look young, man. They don't even look like yearlings, eh?
Oh, jump fence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, there's that fallow stag. There you go, Cole. Oh, doesn't look that big, but 2 more. Go on. Get a run up. Here you go. Damn, that was cool. You see those reds were coming down with them, but they turned around and went back. Alright team, just got home, time to unpack my stuff, have a shower, get nice and warm. Not much nicer here in town now. Gee, bloody freezing. Windy as out there, but still bloody mean fun to get back out. Cheers to bro Cole for letting us out there for the afternoon, for the morning, shot bro, appreciate it.